Consumer Cellular primarily uses Verizon's network and can experience no signal due to three main reasons: coverage limitations, band incompatibility, or interference. Coverage issues occur in areas outside Verizon's network footprint, especially rural or mountainous regions. Band incompatibility occurs if your phone doesn't support the necessary frequencies like LTE bands 2, 4, 12, 66, 71, or 5G bands N71 and N260. Interference can be caused by physical obstacles, electronic devices, or network congestion. To start, check Consumer Cellular's coverage map on their website or app. A quick fix is restarting your device or toggling airplane mode. Use the Consumer Cellular app for signal strength diagnostics. This should be the first step. Make sure your eSIM is compatible for new activations since 2024. This will aid signal troubleshooting. If coverage isn't the issue, ensure your phone supports the required bands. Newer phones are more likely to support low-band frequencies for better building penetration. Mitigate interference by moving away from potential sources like other electronic devices or adjusting your Wi-Fi router's channel. Update your phone's carrier settings and software. If problems persist, contact Consumer Cellular support for APN resets or device-specific assistance. Advanced solutions include using signal boosters for indoor use or switching to AT&T roaming if available via the Consumer Cellular app. As 5G expands, dynamic spectrum sharing should improve signal reliability. In urban environments, check for Wi-Fi interference affecting LTE band 12 signal quality. Upgrading older devices lacking band support stabilizes signal.